Hello everyone, welcome to another video by knowledgeification. Today we will be continuing the chapter cells. Let us look at what we are going to talk about in this video. Today in this video we will be covering the following topics: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, cell wall, cytoplasm, ribosomes, cell membrane and cell division. Let's jump in. There are two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Let's discuss about prokaryotic cells first. The image you see on your screen is an example of a prokaryotic cell because in the image, the prokaryotic cell does not have a defined nucleus. So we can say that a prokaryotic cell is a cell without a proper nucleus, or a cell with a nucleus that does not have a nucleus membrane. So yeah, we could define a prokaryotic cell in our way. The most common example for prokaryotic cells are bacteria. They are generally smaller than eukaryotic cells. Now let's talk about eukaryotic cells. All eukaryotic cells possess a true nucleus. That means, so in the image you can see, the nucleus is perfect, and it has a nucleus membrane around it, and the things in the nucleus are not everywhere around. So all eukaryotic cells possess true nucleus, that is, their genetic material is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. All protists, fungi, plants and animals are eukaryotic cells. They possess membrane-bound organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and Golgi bodies, etc. As in the image you can see, it is a plant cell, and if you look at the green part over here, this is the cell wall. This cell wall is an extra layer of protection after the cell membrane. It is a non-living part of the cell. This is there in plant cells because plant cells do not move, so they are in one place and they need an extra layer of protection. It forms an outermost layer of the cell and it provides integrity to the cell. It is made up of carbohydrates and it is absent in mycoplasma. Now look at the image. The purple stuff you see inside the cell is the cytoplasm. All the fluid substance present inside the cell constitutes its cytoplasm. It comprises all kinds of cell organelles present in the cell, with the exception of no nucleus in a prokaryotic cell. The image you can see are ribosomes. These are sites of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are found to be associated with plasma membrane. They are not bound by any membrane system at all. The small organelle you see under the colorful lining is the small subunit, and the upper is the large subunit. The colorful lines you see is the mRNA. This is the cell. I will show you the cell membrane. The yellow lining you see over here, this is the cell membrane. It is a phospholipid bilayer. It lies inside the cell wall if there is any. It isolates the cell contents from the outside environment and forms a barrier to substances entering in and out of the cell. This cell membrane controls the substances which enter or leave the cell. It is a very important part of the cell. Now let's talk about cell division. The process in which cell divides into two daughter cells is called cell division. In single-celled microorganisms, one cell division results in the formation of two new organisms. For example, amoeba, bacteria, yeast, etc. Cell division in prokaryotes is much simpler as compared to cell division in eukaryotes. Cell division happens in two types: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division where there is the formation of two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent. This This is a type of asexual reproduction. Daughter cells produced by mitosis process